Hey everyone, and welcome to Turftak University. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the Turftak range, a comprehensive collection of turf adhesive, giving you all the tips and tricks and insider knowledge to achieve the most seamless and long-lasting artificial turf installation. My name is Drew, and I'm the turf brand manager and specialist in the industry. Let's get started and take a closer look at the Turftak line. Turftak 2 is a high-strength, fast-curing, two-component polyurethane adhesive, which when mixed creates excellent bond strength in the most demanding environments. Ideal for use in wet and damp conditions. To use, simply open the tab on the back and take the top off the bucket. Inside the bucket, you'll find the bag of Part B. Then you will take this inside out of the bucket as well. Both components are pre-measured for easy, precise mixing, saving you time and hassle. Now we're ready to mix. When mixed with the fluid hardener, Turftak 2 forms a uniform green adhesive that seamlessly blends with your turf for a professional, invisible finish. Available in a convenient 1-gallon bucket, 2-gallon, or 4-gallon bucket. Our adhesives are engineered to offer unmatched strength and durability. They create high-performance bonds that stand up to heavy foot traffic, ensuring your turf stays looking great year-round. Perfect for everything from residential landscaping to large-scale commercial projects and sports fields. Adhesives within the Turftak range have been independently tested to meet and exceed FIFA requirements for bond strength in sports turf applications. Turftak 2 is also available in an all-in-one kit, complete with 1 or 2-gallon bucket of pre-measured adhesive, 50 to 100 feet of seam tape, and a notch trowel. Everything you need in one place for straightforward installation, ensuring long-lasting, durable bonds. As with any other application, before you start, ensure that your seam tape is clean and free of any debris. Adhesive can be applied easily with a notch trowel or a glue box. Simply grab a bit of the glue here, make sure a nice even coat is spread out all over the seam tape where you need it. Once the adhesive is down, simply add your turf and press down. With our 2-part polyurethane adhesive, there is no need for any bags. Simply walk out the seam and you're moving on. So we're here 24 hours later to test out the pull strength on Turftak 2. That one's good to go.